So today we are going to do the exercises and question and answers of chapter 2. First is 5B, fill in the blanks. First, the official count of population of a country is known as census. B, countries have a low growth rate of population. Developed. So developed countries have low growth rate of population. And C, the number of people divided by the area give us the population density. In a population pyramid, the female population is represented on the right side. Okay, uh, here it is given. Here it is a wrong map. Okay, it is wrong diagram is given over here. Male are represented in the left side and females are represented on the right side here. This side female and this side male. So, uh, so this is not correct figure. And E, a shaped population pyramid indicate a population growth at a consistent rate. Growing at a consistent rate. So triangle shows growing at a consistent rate, and rectangle shows growing but steadily. Growing steadily means slowly. Okay. And fifth is change in population occurs due to two reasons: natural growth and migration. Migration means movement of the people. And here matchings, uh, equatorial regions are sparsely populated because of temperature is very high on these equatorial regions. And B, North America is densely populated because it is a very developed place. And age sex pyramid is also called population pyramid. Emigration means movement of people from a country, when people move from a country. And immigration when movement to a country, when people move into a country. And northern hemisphere, where uh, most of the population is concentrated. Okay, in on the earth, northern hemisphere is where the population density is greater than the southern hemisphere. And this true or false. So find this, read the chapter and find this true or false. This is your homework. This is your assignment. Okay. And now the question and answers of chapter 2. The first question. Uh, Fourth, answer the following questions briefly. First question, what is the use of population dynamics? So here, fourth है, population dynamics is useful for interpreting survey data, predicting outbreaks, and evaluating the effectiveness of control tactics. So this is the use of for this use population dynamics is useful. Okay, so this is answer 4A. And answer B, what is population density? So population density answer fourth B. This is when we use the term population density, we refer to the pattern of how people are spread over the earth from here to here. This formula, population density is equal to the number of people upon area. This, okay, from here to here. This is answer 4B. And the next is name two densely populated areas and two moderately populated areas. So, densely populated areas, fourth C. This is two densely populated areas, Eastern Asia and South and Southeast Asia. So these are two densely populated areas, and two moderately populated areas are this is moderately populated regions. Regions like Central USA, Central America, South America. So only two names. Okay. And question 4D. What is overpopulation? So this is overpopulation. Here, this is from here. Overpopulation refers to excessive population in a given geographical area where the number of people surpass the available resources that are required to maintain a basic standard of living. Overpopulation not only lead to overcrowding and depletion of natural resources from here to here, deterioration. This is from here to here, 4D. And the next question is, can underpopulated countries support a large population without reducing the standard of living of the current population? Can underpopulated countries support a larger population without reducing the standard of living of the current population? So answer is yes, because of abundant resources are available on these places. Okay, and F. Why are plains densely populated? So plains are densely populated because of the availability of water, and they and on plains it is also very easy to make houses and grow crops. So people prefer to settle on plains. So okay, and G. What regions will you find a sparse population? So regions which are having extreme climatic conditions are sparsely populated. Okay, so these three answers you have to write. What is natural growth rate? So natural growth rate. So what is natural growth rate here? This is birth rate is number of live birth as 1,000 persons per year. From here, this is this is fourth H. This is 4H from here to here. Okay, natural growth rate. And F. If there is low birth rate and high death rate, will the population increase or decrease? So in this case, population will decrease. Question number I. This is if there is low birth rate and high death rate, so population will decrease. Okay. And J. How does the literacy level influence the distribution of population? So answer of this question is uh, this complete paragraph actually. Okay, so from here to here, this is 4J. And now the answer in detail. First is what reasons may be accounted for the uneven distribution of population on the surface of Earth. Factors affecting the distribution of population. So first is physical. Just write this. First from here to here, population distribution on Earth. From here, population distribution on Earth is influenced by different factors. These factors have been classified into three categories: physical factors, economic and social factors, and historical factors. Okay, first write from here to here. Then first is physical factor, then write this complete, and topography. In topography, this uh, one will find more people settled in plains rather than mountain regions because the area of the plain can be easily inhabited. It is not only easy to construct houses in such areas, but it is much easier to grow crops as well. For example, the Ganga Plains in the India is densely populated and very conducive to cultivation as being close to the river body, to the fertile soil. On the other hand, this complete topography complete and climatic condition. This is also complete, red complete soil. Areas with fertile soil provide land for agriculture. Fertile soil also increase the produce in countries like India, where agriculture is a significant economic activity. So from these lines, and then water. In water, people normally settle in regions where fresh water is available. The river valleys of the world are densely populated, while deserts have a sparse population. So this is, and then minerals. In minerals, areas with mineral deposits are more populated as the availability of minerals. Then come to the next page. This is this complete, and then economic and socio-cultural factors. Many scholars believe this also read this. This complete. Okay, so this is answer fifth A, and now the fifth B. Briefly explain sparsely populated areas with example of different types of sparsely populated areas. Here, this is this is okay. Sparsely populated regions. Read this complete. Adding fifth B. And fifth C, what do you understand by the term population dynamics? Population dynamics, come to the starting of this chapter. Population dynamics from here to here. This is fifth C. And fifth D, discuss the impact of overpopulation on a country. Impact of overpopulation. This is impact of overpopulation. So this complete. Okay. For uh, fifth D, this is fifth D, and fifth D, differentiate between the following terms: emigration and immigration, birth and death rate, overpopulation and underpopulation. So first is emigration and immigration, fifth E. So page number 23. This is migration is defined as from here. Immigration, and this is fifth E first, and 52nd. What is birth rate and death rate? Birth rate and death rate. It is in page number 22 here. birth rate and death rate. Fifth, this is from here. Birth rate is the number of live births uh, per thousand person per year. Okay, so this is 52nd from here to here. Birth rate and this complete from here to here as like 4H. Okay, and the next is overpopulation and underpopulation. Overpopulation and underpopulation. Page number 23. This is overpopulation and underpopulation. Overpopulation. So right. This complete 53rd. Okay, and after this, for underpopulation here, in underpopulation, the population of geographical area is less than comparison to the available resources. The available resources are so it is complete. Okay, 53rd. It is underpopulation. Okay, so this is difference between overpopulation and underpopulation. And question number F. What is population pyramid? What does the shape of population pyramid indicate? So this complete heading population pyramid, fifth F. Okay, but do not make this diagram. This is not the correct diagram because in this side males are represented and here females are represented in population pyramid. So uh, so find the correct diagram on Google and draw that for year 2019. It is a so draw population pyramid of 2019. Okay. Fifth G. What are the physical features that affect the distribution of population? So the physical features that affect the population, page number 21. These are physical factors. So topography, soil, water, minerals, and on these headings: topography, soil, water, and minerals. These physical features which affects the population of any place. And then last question: what are the advantages and disadvantages of underpopulation? So for this, page number 24 here. From here, the only disadvantage of underpopulation is the lack of human resources leading to shortage of labor. From here to this is last question. Fifth H. So from here to the next page, here. Okay, so uh, we have completed this chapter, exercises and question and answers.